There are many restaurants at the beach you can use.
ये वो अपार्टमेंट है जिसके बारे में मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में बताया था। इसमें मैं टेम्पररी ठहरा हुआ हूँ। अभी आप दिन के टाइम देख सकते हैं ये कैसा दिखता है, और साथ ही व्यू बाहर बैल्कनी से। अगर आप लोगों ने पार्ट 1 मिस किया तो प्लीज़ वो देखें, उसमें डिटेल में सब कुछ मैंने बताया हुआ है कि कैसे यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ। आज का प्लान ये है कि एजेंट आएंगे, मुझे ले जाएंगे, अपना घर दिखाएंगे, जो हमने घर ख़रीदा है उसकी प्रोग्रेस दिखाएंगे, साथ ही अलानिया की सैर कराएंगे। Now this is the city center of Alanya.
This is the city center. Full of shops, restaurants.
And what about electric cars?
There is not that much electric cars here. Avsallar. Here we are currently in Avsallar area. Here's the center we call shops and restaurants, like pharmacies. I don't know what to say. Jewelry shop, clothes shops.
Yeah, all the necessary shops you have here.
Mostly tourists are buying from these shops.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like shoes and some clothes.
And here there's no shopping center.
Yeah.
For sure.
Arabayla giremiyoruz. Bangalar falan şurada.
That side we have some banks and some other shops, but we cannot go with the car.
Yeah.
We need to park it like that. And this, it's a small area, but you can find everything you need. Some cafes, some restaurants, some printers. This is the most Jame we call.
Yeah.
Marketler açılıyor.
Yeah.
thought it was much smaller.
Before.
O yoldan da çıkılıyor ama ben bu yoldan çıkacağım. Oradan gideceğim.
Now we are going to the project. We have two ways connecting to the project. We can go from here and in our way back, we can go come from inside the project. As you see, there are many new projects. Our project is that one, which you see in front of you.
The
here.
two towers?
Actually, there are four.
Oh yeah, 4 towers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
The building with yellow color is the building which you choose the apartment there.
Oh yeah, with the yellow
Yeah.
terrace. Yeah.
And these white buildings are hotel.
Oh yeah, so they're okay. So they're
These
quite
are
near.
buildings, yeah. It's not that much far. Just because the location is between the mountains, so you see the roads like that.
A lot of new buildings that are
Yeah.
being constructed
It's
right
a
now.
growing area.
Yeah.
Soon, maybe after 2 years, we will see towers here,
Yeah.
like Mahmudlar. We will pass from front of the hotel.
So this is the only way to drive to our apartment. It's through this hotel.
Not the only way, but the easiest way.
Okay. Right now, but
Maybe in the future they will do the other way.
yeah. But the facilities for hotel we cannot use.
No, it's separate.
Yeah.
It's not public use. Our first project is that small building. It has green windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is our first project. And this one is the third project.
Yeah.
The second project is a bit far from here.
Was it also olive paradise or olive
No,
garden?
we start with Çarşıya. Çarşıya,
yeah.
it means the market or the city center in Bosnian language.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because most of our customers are from Bosnia.
Oh. Okay.
So they choose the name Çarşıya 1 and then Çarşıya 2. Çarşıya 3 is for all the nationalities.
Okay, this was
So
A
this
block.
one is A block.
Okay.
And this one is B block.
Okay.
Under A block, we will have the social facilities like indoor pool and gym and the other things. Under B block, we will have supermarket and cafe. And behind the B block is C block, and after that, that one is D block.
And do you remember which one I bought?
Yeah, in C block,
In C
number
block,
15.
okay.
Yeah.
Number 15, okay. Yeah.
So we can walk from this side. He is finished sooner than
Oh yeah, okay.
than the others. Yeah. D block we started lately,
Uh-huh.
and it's going to be finished like it's I think the last floor we are doing.
But the whole project will be done in December?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything with pool and everything. Oh. It's
Government they give us like I think 3 to 6 months to finish it all. The period of which we promised until the legal period. It's like 3 to 6 or 5 months.
Okay.
Not for the apartment, for the facilities.
For the facilities,
Yeah.
okay.
Because they take under consideration that maybe some crisis like Corona came, unpredictable things. So here will be the outdoor swimming pool, and all the facilities. I don't know exactly which one, which side, but this will be the area. We will have car parkings. We will have in this area, I think, between these two blocks, we will have a garden, olive garden. That's why we call this project Olive Paradise, because we will bring here actually it was garden of olive trees.
Oh yeah, before.
Yeah, before. We took it out. I think they keep it somewhere. And after that they will bring the trees there. They were planning to give for every apartment one tree, I think, as I remember. Yeah.
This is actually quite ready from outside.
It was the first building which we started.
Oh.
Construction. So here will be the elevator. With the stairs also. We need to go to fourth floor.
Fourth floor.
Actually, they say
1, 2, 3.
numbers. In Turkey, they have a strange method of counting the levels. They start with 0. I think if we are not wrong, this will be the apartment. Living room. This side will be kitchen. So as you see, this cabinets. This side will be the wall for TV. And air conditioning. And here is the balcony. And you will have
The view to see.
this way will be like a pathway for walking and jogging. I think it will not close your view because you will be staying to see the for this building. But they give the permission for that.
Okay.
The maximum level they can be. At the day which I call you video call, it was a bit cloudy.
But
I couldn't see even
to see,
but now it's clear.
Now it's clear. And the main door.
Bir lamba kırıldı. Aşağı sarkan lambanın dışı.
Will there be any lightings up there?
Spotlights maybe they will do. Yeah. Spotlights and the main light here.
Your bedroom, और bedroom से view देखना है. So there's a way to go up with the car as well.
Yes, and there is a way to walk also from the other side. We are tourists. Yes, we walked all that way from down. Yeter. This is the harbor.
Yeah.
You can see all Alanya from here.
Yeah.
This is the centrum, then going to the Obatos, Murkestel, Mahmutlar, Kargıcak, that side. Oh, you can see.
So airport is that way,
Yeah,
right?
that way is airport.
So we cannot see the way to Antalya from here.
No, not from here. Maybe from that side, the other side.
From other side, yeah.
Ships, warships.
Okay.
Yeah. There is some canals under that, which they used it to release the ships to the water.
Okay. So it was built ship inside this red
Yeah.
tower.
And they also they use it for defense against the enemy army. And here all the walls also is like that. Of course, the main castle is on the top.
Where are these mountains?
It's end of Alanya and it's the border with Konya. Konya is up our north.
Oh yeah. So it's still snow there.
Yeah,
It's just
even this side.